This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. 2-bedroom 1-bath vinyl bungalow home on approximately 0.207 acre on corner lot in City of Shelby. Home has a covered front porch and a rear deck. The storage building in the fenced backyard remains. The home is built with an open floor plan. Large living room. Eat-in kitchen. Refrigerator, washer and dryer remain. Convenient location near Uptown Shelby, shopping, dining, medical, etc. Convenient to Highway 74. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.